Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to see how to create a simple pipeline script. So to create a new pipeline script or a new job, first we have to click on this new item and here you can enter the name of the job. So I'm going to give simple pipeline job. Okay, and here select the item type as a pipeline and click on OK. So here there are several options available. So here you can give the description for this job, which is related to, it will explain what is this job being used for. And all these options are related to this pipeline script. And here, as you can see, do not allow the pipeline to resume if the controller restart. So by default, if it is the freestyle project, then there is no option. Like if there is a failure in the controller, then the job will be aborted. But in the pipeline script, we have the option whether we want to cancel the pipeline if there is any failure in the controller. Okay, and these are all the trigger option. And under the pipeline, there are two options, pipeline script and pipeline script from SCM. So if you want to use the SCM like Git, if we can use this Jenkins file from the Git, otherwise we can use the pipeline script. So for this example, I'm going to use the pipeline script, and here if we can just select hello world. So this will be the sample script for the hello world. Okay, so here pipeline and agent any means it will run on any agent, including the built-in node, which is the Jenkins controller. And under the stages, I'm just created one stage to print the hello world. So let me save this and let me open it in the new tab and click on build now. So as you can see, build one started, and which is success also. And here we can see that it is printed hello world. Okay, now let me make some changes here. Instead of hello world, let me paste this code. So here I'm going to use the stage to print the echo version of the Maven. So this will print the Maven version, and here in the tools, it will be using this M38. So this will install the tool on the controller or the agent, and then it will use this command to print the version. So now let me save this and run the build again. Okay, so the build 2 is failed. So if you go to the console output, it says the tool type Maven doesn't have an install of M38 configured. So now let us go to the configuration. So under the dashboard, click on Manage Jenkins and go to Tools under System Configuration. So here we have the Git installation, Gradle, Sonar. So here we have the Maven installation. Click on Add Maven. So here we can specify the name that will use the pipeline script to install that particular version. So here, for example, 3.9.10 is the latest version. So let me give the name M38 and let me select 389. So let's make it 389 and click on apply. We can also add additional version. For example, if we also want to install the latest version 3.9, 10. We can add this as well. So for now I'm going to only install the 389 version. So I have given the name M389. Click on save. So now if I run this job, simple pipeline job, build now. Okay, the build is failed again. Let's see what is the error. So here, okay, it is still trying to use the M38. Let me go here, change it to M389 and save it. Click on build now again. Okay, so now we can see the build as success, and it is running on the Jenkins, which is the built-in control node. And here it is print Maven version, so which is Maven 3.8.9. Okay, so now it is printing the Maven version. So basically it is trying to install that particular version. So let's say if you want to install 3.9, we can go here and change this version into 399, and then we can rerun the job. Okay, so that's all in this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.